I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this is the play-along video for Whiskey in the Jar. We're going to play an extra measure of D at the beginning just to get us started. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I was going over the bluff in Carry Mountain, I met Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol and I then produced my rapier, saying stand and deliver for you are aboard this team of shopping. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, that's whiskey in the jar. I counted out his money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in me pocket and I took it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she never would deceive me, but the devil take the women for they never got me. Shoving never die. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went to my chamber all for to take a slumber. I dreamt of gold and jewels, and for sure it was no wonder that Jenny drew my charges and she filled them up with water. Then sent more Captain Farrell to be ready for the slumber. Shoving never die. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Was early in the morning, just before I rose and traveled. Up comes a band of footmen and likewise Captain Farrell. I first produced my pistol, for she stole away my rapier, but I couldn't shoot the water, so a prisoner I was taken. Shoving never die. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. If anyone can aid me, 'tis my brother in the army. If I can find a station in Cork or in Killarney, and if he will go with me, we'll go rolling in Kilkenny, and I'm sure he'll treat me better than my oldest sport in Jenny. Shoving never die. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Now there's some take delight in the carriages of rolling, and others take delight in the hurling and the bowling, but I take delight in the juice of the barley, and courting great and fair maids in the morning bright and early. Shoving never die. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Shoving never die. Whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been the play-along video for Whiskey in the Jar. Thank you for watching.